In last session, we have discussed about various rules and regulation for deductions from masonry and quantity workout and the steel reinforcement detailing or uh, calculation of steel quantity in quintal or kg by various techniques or various rules of bar bending and additional lengths to be provided for calculating the weight of bar in structural or steel design. Myself, R.V. Zugdar, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering. Now, in this session, we will solve one example regarding the steel design or reinforcement of bars for slab. This example shows a room has a clear dimension of 3 by 7 meter. It has RCC slab as shown in figure, having thickness of 120 mm. Top and bottom cover is 20 mm provided for the slab, and end cover of 50 mm is provided from both sides. The walls supporting slab are having thickness 0.23 meter or 23 to 30 mm. Calculate the following from the above problem. Cement concrete for slab having proportion 1 as to 1.5 as to 3. Centering and shuttering for slab. Weight of 12 mm 5 bars. Weight of 6 mm 5 distribution steel bars. Abstract for approximate estimate. Cement sand aggregate for slab. Percentage steel in slab. Cost of slab per meter. And prepare bar bending schedule for total reinforcement. For calculation of quantity of concrete, we have to make measurement sheet as we have studied earlier. The measurement sheet consists of the following columns: item number, item description, numbers, length, breadth, height, and quantity. The first item is cement concrete for slab having proportion of 1 as to 1.5 as to 3. The length is calculated by adding the total into in length, that is 7 meter, plus wall thickness, that is 0.23 from both sides, and for shorter span the length is or breadth is calculated by addition of 0.23 from both sides, that is 3 plus 0.23 plus 0.23, that is 3.46. Now the total quantity of concrete can be calculated by multiplying length, that is 7.46, breadth 3.46, and depth of slab, that is 0.12. The total volume of concrete required for slab concreting is 3.09 cubic meters or meter cube. Centering or shuttering of slab. For centering or shuttering of slab, the three items are there. One is bottom, second is top, and third is sides. For top, the length of top is 7 meter, breadth is 3 meter, and for bottom the length is 7.46 and height of 0.15, and for sides the two numbers are there having length of 3.46 and height of 0.15 meters. From calculating or multiplication of all these length and breadth or length and height, we will get the total square meter shuttering requirement for slab is 21 square meter plus 2.24 square meter plus 1.04 square meter, that is equal to 24.28 square meters. Now for calculation of steel having 12 diameter and center to center distance of 150 having alternate bent up. The length can be calculated by adding the 0.23 thickness from both sides of slab, that is 3 plus 0.23 plus 0.23 plus 2 times hooks from both sides of bent up, that is 2 times 9d, that is 9 into 0.012 minus 2 times cover from lateral sides of the bar, that is 2 times 0.05. The total length of bars at shorter span is equal to 3.58 meters. This is straight length of bar. The span can be calculated by adding 7 plus 0.23 plus 0.23 minus both side cover, which will give total length in straight line length is equal to 7.36 meter. Total number of bars required therefore calculated by dividing this total span by the spacing between two bars of 12 It is equal to 7.36 divided by 0.15 plus 1, that is 50 numbers. Therefore, for shorter span, the total number of bars required are 50. Extra length for bent up can be calculated by using the formula, that is total length plus 0.40 times x, because bent up is done in only 45 degrees. Therefore, the additional length of 0.45 x is added into straight line length, where x is equal to 0.12 minus 2 into 0.02, that is cover, minus 0.012 of bar. It is equal to 0.068 meters. These quantities are entered into bar bending schedule, that is 12 main steel bars at 150 center to center alternate bent up. The length is equal to 3.58 plus 0.45 x is equal to 3.61. The total number of bars are 50, length is 3.61, and multiplication of these two along with the unit weight per meter, that is 0.89, say approximately zero point 0.9 kg per meter, gives the total weight of bar 12 bar required for slab design is 162.45 kg. For 6 diameter distribution steel at 180 center to center bars at bottom, hook length is 9d, which is equal to 9 into 0.06, which is equal to 0.045. The total length can be calculated by addition of 0.23 from both sides plus hook length from both sides, which is equal to 7.51 meter. Width of slab is equal to 3 plus 0.23 plus 0.23 minus 2 times cover from both sides, which will give the total length of 3.36 meters. The total number of bars for that span can be calculated by span divided by center to center spacing plus 1, which is equal to 3.36 divided by 0.18 plus 1, which is equal to 19.66, that is 20 numbers. Bars at top. Width of slab at one end for bent up bar at top, which is equal to 0.23 plus 0.45 minus 0.068 minus 0.05, that is cover, which is equal to 0.562 meters. Number of bars at one end can be calculated by dividing that span by spacing, which is equal to 0.562 divided by 0.18 plus 1, which is equal to 4.12. Say 5 numbers. Therefore, total number of bars at both ends is equal to 2 into 5, which is equal to 10 numbers. Total number of bars is equal to 20 plus 10 is equal to 30 numbers. Entering this data into bar bending schedule format, that is 6 diameter distribution steel at 180 center to center, where L is equal to 7 plus 0.23 plus 0.23 plus 2 times hook length plus minus 2 times cover, which will give the length of 7.51 meters. Total number of bars required are 30 numbers. Therefore, multiplying the total number of bars 30 by total length of one bar, that is 7.51, and weight per meter of 0.22 kg per meter, will give the total quantity of bar or weight of bar of 6 equal to 49.56 kgs. Entering these all quantities in the tabular form, we will get the current concrete of slab is 3.09 cubic meter, and multiplying this by rate approximately 8800 will give the total amount. Centering quantity required is 24.28 meters square. 12 bars requirement is 162.45 kg, and 6 bars required 49.56 kg, and labor for cutting, bending and placing required for total addition of kilogram of all bars, that is 212 kgs, and putting their rates, we will get the total cost of reinforcement, shuttering and concrete for slab having room size 7 by 3 meters. The total cost will be equal to 40,220 by putting the rates. Adding 5% of contingencies, we will get the total cost for slab construction is 42,300 rupees. Calculation of quantities of cement, sand and aggregate for slab. Volume of dry concrete is equal to 1.52 into 3.09, that is 4.70 meter cube. The dry volume is calculated because after addition of water the volume of the concrete will get reduced. Therefore, we have to take the dry volume because voids in the aggregates are more before than the addition after addition of water. The cement content can be calculated by dividing 1 by 5.5. 5.5 is the addition of 1 plus 1.5 plus 3, that is proportion of all ingredients of concrete. It will give the total volume of cement required is 0.855 meter cube. Now, for calculation of bags of cement, the volume is divided by 0.035, and the total number of bags required are for 24.43 bags. Sand can be calculated by dividing the proportion of sand 1.5 by total addition of ingredients, that is 5.5 into 4.70, which is equal to 1.28 m cube. And similarly, aggregates can be calculated, and the amount of aggregates or volume of aggregate are 2.56 meter cube. Percentage of steel in slab required can be calculated by volume of steel is equal to mass upon density. The mass of steel which we have calculated is 212.01 divided by density of steel, that is 7850. The total volume of steel consum- consumed in slab construction is 0.023 m3. The volume of concrete is calculated, that is 3.09 meter cube, and percentage of steel in concrete slab is volume of steel divided by volume of concrete into 100, which is equal to 0.027 divided by 3.09 into 100, which is equal to 0.873%. Cost of slab per meter square can be calculated by L is equal to 7 plus 0.23 plus 0.23, that is 7.46, and B is 3.46 meters. The total area is equal to 7.46 into 3.46, that is 25.81 meter square. Therefore, cost of slab per square meter is 42,300 divided by total area of slab, that is 25.81, which gives the total cost per meter square is 1638.89 rupees, that is 1640 rupees. Bar bending schedule. Now, bar bending schedule is furnished in the following format. For 12 mm phi bar, that is diameter of bar is first column, shape and length of bar is second column, length of bar is third, numbers of bar, total length, unit weight per bar, and total weight. The 12 mm bar having shape of bent up and which is bent at 45 degrees, having following description. The hook length is provided at both ends, and the total length which is calculated in earlier session, that is 3.61, total numbers 50, total length of bar is multiplication of length and number, that is 180.5, and unit weight is zero point 0.9 or 0.89. The total weight required for 12 mm bar is 162.45. For straight bars having 6 mm diameter, similarly we can calculate, and the total weight of 6 mm bar required is 49.56 kg. Therefore, the total weight of bar required for concreting of 7 by 3 meter slab is 212.01 kg. Now, we will see more examples on bar bending schedule. Now this is simplest example for slab designing, which which don't have any complex type of reinforcement in it. Now we will solve the problems for beams and retaining walls, etc. Thank you.